Hello and welcome back to Power Sports on YouTube. Today we're going to work on trying to 3D print a Nanachi model, as many of you might have seen from some recent VR chat videos. Can't really do car stuff right now, so I'm just kind of playing games for now. But anyway, so Google, and you go to Nanachi. There's a lot of different things you can type in, Nanachi download, and the first most of these links are junk, except for this little link here that's buried, and it says they're looking for the Nanachi model that's located in a public VR chat world. So this is the one that we've been using a lot. So then down here, the bowlroll.net file, and they even have the password posted. So you want to copy that password, and if you can't see those characters, you're going to have to download a Japanese language pack. So you go to the link, and then right here is the password. Okay, download, save it somewhere, and it's a WinRAR. I think it's a .rar file. But anyway, you probably need WinRAR to unzip it. So it downloads, blah blah blah. So now you need to extract it. So double click on it, extract. This is never ever purchase this because this is a load of shit. Close. Okay. It'll extract, hopefully correctly. As you can see here, we got some weird characters. So, okay, so now that you have the files extracted, you will need to go to Blender, and in Blender you will need the add-on CATS, C-A-T-S, and then you will also need the add-on MMD Tools. And if you install CATS and then you don't have MMD Tools installed, it'll kind of give you a link to install it. If you don't know how to install add-ons in Blender, then this tutorial is probably a little too advanced, so maybe don't worry about it until you learn Blender a little better. Anyway, so we're just gonna delete all this junk to start, and then we're gonna import model. We're gonna go to MMD Tools, sorry. No, sorry. Okay. So then it looks like my text got all messed up anyway, so I just need to find whatever model I'm looking for. So the PMX is the MMD model, and it might be a little bit of trial and error here trying to figure out what the heck. Oh, I think we got lucky.
Find your zone every day. When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive